Welcome back to DIT Info. Today, we're unboxing and exploring one of the most popular switches for enterprise networking, the Cisco Catalyst 9200L 24P. Whether you're setting up a new office network or scaling your infrastructure, this switch is packed with features designed to meet your needs. Let's dive right in. Here's the packaging, classic Cisco design. The box is sturdy, with basic product details like the model number and serial number printed on the side. Opening the box. Let's open it up. Inside, you'll find mounting brackets and screws for easy rack installation. This switch fits into a 1U rack space, making it perfect for compact setups. A Cisco CSA setup request card to guide you through the initial setup process. Next up is the power cable. This standard AC power cord plugs directly into the switch's built-in power unit. No external power supplies required. And here's the main attraction, the Cisco Catalyst 9200L 24P switch. It's sleek, compact, and lightweight, weighing just under 9 pounds, making it easy to handle and install. Taking a closer look at the front. 24 gigabit Ethernet ports. Deliver up to 1 gigabit per port, ensuring high-speed connectivity for all your devices. These ports also support Power over Ethernet Plus, PoE Plus, with a 370-watt PoE power budget, allowing you to power IP cameras, access points, and more without additional wiring. On the front, you'll find 4 fixed 10G SFP Plus uplinks for high-speed connections to your core network, ensuring smooth traffic flow. On the back, simple and functional, a power input and stack-wise ports for stacking up to 8 switches, providing redundancy and scalability. Main features. 1. Port configuration. The C9200L 24P switch comes with 24 gigabit Ethernet ports, offering data transfer rates of up to 1 gigabit per sec, ideal for fast and reliable communication across your network. 2. Power over Ethernet port and a 370 watts power budget. You can directly power devices like IP phones, wireless access points, and security cameras, simplifying your setup. 3. Modular uplinks. The 4 fixed 10 gigabit SFP Plus uplinks ensure high-speed connectivity to your core network or servers, minimizing bottlenecks and enabling seamless scalability. 4. Layer 3 routing. The switch supports advanced Layer 3 features, including OSPF, EIGRP, and BGP, making it suitable for enterprises needing robust internetwork routing capabilities. 5. Security features. With features like 802.1x authentication, MACsec encryption, and TrustSec, the switch offers excellent protection against unauthorized access, ensuring your network's security. 6. Cisco IOS XE operating system. Running on Cisco IOS XE, the switch supports programmability and automation tools like Cisco DNA Center, which simplifies network management and reduces the need for manual configurations. 7. Redundancy and uptime. With Stackwise 80 technology, you can stack up to 8 switches for redundancy, ensuring high availability and minimal downtime. Here's a quick rundown of the key specs. Ports: 24 by 1 GHz RJ45 ports, uplinks, 4 by 10 GHz SFP plus ports, POE budget 370 watts, switching capacity 128 gigabit, forwarding rate 95 megabit, DRAM 2 GB, flash memory 4 GB, max stacking bandwidth 80 gigabit, layer support layer 2 and layer 3, dimensions 1.73 by 17.5 by 11.3 inches, weight 8.67 pounds. And that wraps up today's unboxing and feature overview of the Cisco Catalyst 9200L 24P switch. This switch combines performance, security, and scalability, making it an excellent choice for medium to large enterprise networks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content. Stay tuned for our detailed setup tutorial coming soon, right here on Info.